Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. Question number 1. What is the minimum age to become a member of Rajya Sabha? A. 20 years, B. 25 years, C. 30 years, D. 35 years. Answer C. 30 years. Question number 2. Rajya Sabha member has a tenure of years. A. 2 years, B. 5 years, C. 3 years, D. 6 years. Answer D. 6 years. Question number 3. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the emergency between the year 1975 to 1977? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Rajiv Gandhi, D. Chaudhary Charan Singh. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Question number 4. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to appointment of the Prime Minister in India? A. Article 65, B. Article 75, C. Article 79, D. Article 78. Answer B. Article 75. Question number 5. Nathula Pass is located in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Mizoram, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer A. Sikkim. Question number 6. Which of the following mountain passes is situated in the state of Uttarakhand? A. Nathula Pass, B. Monkshila Pass, C. Bhaundila Pass, D. Baralecha Pass. Answer B. Monkshila Pass. Question number 7. Suryadar Lake is located in which state of India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer B. Uttarakhand. Question number 8. Vembanad Lake is the longest lake in India, located in which state? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Manipur, D. Rajasthan. Answer B. Kerala. Question number 9. Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve is located in which state of India? A. Odisha, B. Kerala, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer A. Odisha. Question number 10. In which year the Project Elephant was launched by the Government of India? A. 1985, B. 1986, C. 1996, D. 1992. Answer D. 1992. Question number 11. Which country is the largest producer of apple in the world? A. India, B. America, C. Russia, D. China. Answer D. China. Question number 12. Which one of the following is a computer virus? A. Spider, B. Creeper, C. Panda, D. Monk. Answer B. Creeper. Question number 13. When was the Food Corporation of India established? A. 1962, B. 1968, C. 1972, D. 1965. Answer D. 1965. Question number 14. India Economy Survey is published by A. Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Ministry of Education, D. Ministry of Health. Answer B. Ministry of Finance. Question number 15. The community market is regulated by which of the following organization? A. ADB, B. SBI, C. RBI, D. SEBI. Answer D. SEBI. Question number 16. Which method is used to measure agriculture income in India? A. Output method, B. Input method, C. Commodity method, D. Expenditure method. Answer A. Output method. Question number 17. Money market is a market for A. Long-term fund, B. Short-term fund, C. Sales of shares, D. Negotiable instrument. Answer B. Short Time Fund. Question number 18. Gidda is the folk dance of which state? A. Manipur, B. Goa, C. Punjab, D. Maharashtra. Answer C. Punjab. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel.